Hello guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and in this video I have created this runner game in Unreal Engine 5 for my Patreons. This is not going to be a tutorial, but I'll just want to give the files to my Patreon. So this is just a demo, and you can see in this game I used all the starter content things and epics character, and you can see when I take the coin it just show me the score, and when I hit with the walls or the stones here in center, there is an explosion. So I just placed these things, and this is my first version of this game, so I kept it very simple, but I will update these games like I have published my brick breaker, so I will also update that version 2 with some more elements and more effects from Niagara. In this game I don't have any effects from Niagara. These are starter content fire and all the effect. That explosion is also from starter content and cascade version, but I will update that explosion with some cool effects in coming video, and all those files will be available on Patreon. So this is how I created. You can see this is all the folder structure. This is the texture materials, and it has a label. If you'll find this label when you will open this file, it has this runner label. You have to double click it to open and then just play, and then you can just set the high score in this game. Okay, so this is very simple but it looks nice, so I thought I should give the files to my Patreon because they always support me, so I think I should give some files. And these days I am giving almost every files to my Patreons, and I'll keep doing this because I want more support from you guys. So just support me like this, and I'll do my best to give you the best files from my side. So thanks for watching this video, and keep learning, and download this file from the description link below, or if you are already a Patreon, you will get the notification for that. And also I want to thanks to my YouTube subscriber for supporting me, and I don't know how to give the files or anything to my YouTube subscriber only, because if I put a Google Drive link to my description, it can download by anyone who is not my subscriber, but I just want to give my files only to my subscriber. So if there is any like way to do that, to provide files only to YouTuber subscriber, let me know. I will try my best to give some files to my YouTube subscriber also. So I couldn't find any way, so if you know that, you can tell me, because I just find the Patreon way for my Patreons. So that's it. So thanks for watching, keep learning, and bye.